Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check your phone settings to confirm dual SIM support and whether it uses eSIM plus a physical slot or 2 physical SIMs. Once done, make sure both carriers have activated service or provided activation QR codes /PINs. Keep those accessible. You should also unlock the device if needed and plug into Wi-Fi so eSIM profiles download reliably. This early preparation prevents interruptions and speeds the activation flow, so you don't stall. You power down and insert physical SIMs into the proper tray positions, then boot the phone. Next, for eSIM activation open settings, go to Cellular or Mobile Data, choose Add eSIM, and scan the carrier QR or enter activation details. Follow on-screen prompts. Once both profiles appear, enter any required PINs and assign labels like primary and secondary. This labeling guides which line handles calls, texts, and data. Make sure to set your preferred data line and default voice line now. You finish by configuring defaults. Choose which line handles voice, which sends SMS, and which uses mobile data. Enable automatic switching if you want data fallback. Once configured, test. Place a call from each line, send a text, and browse on mobile data to confirm connectivity. If something fails, restart the phone first, then rescan the eSIM QR or remove and reinsert the physical SIM. If issues persist, contact the carrier with activation details and it may ready for them to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.